Assalamualaikum. What's up, guys? In this video, I will show how much money I have saved this month. So let's go. First of all, I will go to Play Store and go to Payment and Subscription and go to Budget and History. So you can see how much money I have saved this month. And if you look at the top, you can see it says total you have spent in June. Now you can look at the bottom here. I have top up Telegram, TikTok and Free Fire, and here you can see all the history of this month. Okay, so I am going down and showing you all the history. Here you can see the history of May. You can see the all history April and May. So I am going to down and show you here. I have got a lot of money and I have spent so many dollars on one card. If you look closely, you can see that I made a carding of 49,739 taka in June. This is just the history of 18 days in June, and this is the history of a card. So I am going to TikTok and showing you all my history. You can see here that I have 2,501 coins and I have finished the rest by running ad. I am showing you my history. You can see all my history here. Okay, so I am showing you the all history in Telegram. If you want, you can earn more than 500 to $1,000 a month by carding Telegram and TikTok, but you will need a proper guidelines and you will have to spend some money. You can see all the history of my Telegram star purchase here. I have bought a lot of star in the last 3 months. If you want, you can also run Facebook star and add on Facebook. I have a Telegram channel to give you the right guidelines. If you want, you can join. The link to the Telegram channel is given in the video description. And if you want to contact me, you can message me on WhatsApp and Telegram. Thank you for watching the full video. Allah Hafiz.